This question is asking us to solve this equation, and this equation is kind of unique because it has two natural log terms, or two terms with a natural log in them. And so it's kind of an interesting problem because in order to solve this, you need to first turn this problem where it has two natural logs, you need to turn it into just one. And so you have a few steps that you need to do in order to make that happen, because you cannot just straight out cancel out a bunch of natural logs by e'ing up things, and only if you have just a single natural log on a side. And so that means that's what we need to do here. We need to condense, so step one is really to condense into one log. Condense into one log, right? So that's the first step. And so we're going to do that by taking a look at our two natural logs here, or two terms. The first thing is that 2 has to pop up at the top of the exponent. So you have natural log of x minus 2 minus natural log of 7 squared, which is actually 49. So you can go ahead and rewrite that right away. Now you have the subtraction of two separate logarithms. We can use a property that states that that turns into one logarithm, a natural log in this case, with a base of e, and then it's a fraction. So you have x minus 2 all over 49, and now that's equal to 2. So you have a couple steps there to condense into one log. Now we can undo and start by solving to get that x alone. So you're going to do the e of both sides. So e of the left side equals e to the right side. That's how you cancel out a natural log, because a natural log is a base of e. So just kind of something to remember here. Log base e of x is the same thing as the natural log of x. And so you have the natural log of this fraction in here. So you kind of looks like you got a lot going on. But what happens is that this e and that natural log cancel out. So you're left with x minus 2 over 49 is equal to e squared. Now, e squared is going to be some decimal. And we're going to handle that in a calculator in a moment. So we're going to keep on solving here. You're going to multiply both sides by 49 in order to get rid of the division of 49. So you have x minus 2 is equal to 49 e squared, and then you are going to add 2 to both sides. And when you add 2, that gets us to our exact solution, 49e squared, and then plus 2 on the outside. So we can go ahead in our calculator and get that going in terms of a decimal. You hit your 49e squared, arrow out of it, and then plus 2, and that would be 364. So x equals 364.064, as it says, to round to 3 decimals. And that would be your solution.